How to add countdown timer in Squarespace. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically add a countdown timer in Squarespace. So firstly, come on to squarespace.com and then after that open your account dashboard. Now once you guys have your account dashboard opened up, simply open up the website that you guys want to create a countdown timer for, and then in another tab open up elfsite.com. Now once you guys have elfsite.com opened up, click on widgets, and then after that from over here you guys are gonna see all of their widgets. Click on a countdown over here, and once you guys type in countdown, click on countdown timer. Now from over here you guys are gonna have the option to basically get yourself a countdown widget. So click on explore features, and over here you guys can basically see all of its features. Click on try demo, and it's gonna basically take you over here, and these are all the different options that you guys have for this particular countdown. So I'll click on continue with this template. From over here choose the type, start, end date, and time zone as well, and then after that click on add to website, and then after that once you guys log in, it's gonna link to your Squarespace website and you will be able to see this particular timer on your Squarespace website. So guys, that is how you can add in a countdown timer on your Squarespace website. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.